Congratulations! You now know all the basics of investing in mutual funds. Now, let me tell you where and how you can invest. But before we proceed, I hope you have already gone through the various types of mutual funds available in the market and have frozen on the ones that best match your goals and your risk appetite. And if you haven't, please browse through the many interesting mutual fund options available through our app. And now comes the easy part, investing in them. So, there are two ways you can go about this. Online, through a website or an app, or offline, by visiting an asset management company or a broker's office. You may prefer the online options for its convenience. Just download a good investment app on your phone or simply visit an asset management company website and then fill in the application form and upload your documents. By the way, if you are going through the app, a KYC will be mandatory and it's instant. Oh, and keep in mind, the company may ask you to visit their office or get on a video call for additional verification. Unless you are a bot, you will be fine. And then, within a few hours after verification, tada! Your account will be activated. And that's it. You are all done. But if you are the more traditional kind, you may find the offline option more charming. Just visit the office of the asset management company or bank. Submit the application form and documents in person. Wait for them to approve your application and activate your account. Or kya? Just select the fund of your choice and get going. Hang on. Are you still not feeling very confident about taking the next step? Okay, how about you test your skills so far about what you have learned and we will certify whether you are ready or not. Okay, so ready, set and let's play. क्या आपका mutual fund knowledge सही है? Just kidding. But seriously, go through our blogs for more knowledge on mutual funds.
Investments in security markets are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.